2's complement method for subtraction. First we will see what is 2's complement. 2's complement of a given binary number is obtained by adding one to 1's complement of given binary number. So, we will see an example 1011. So, 1's complement of 1011 will be 0100 and 2's complement will be obtained by adding 1 to 1's complement. So, here we will get 1010. So, 2's complement of 1011 is given by 0101. Now, we will see 2's complement method for subtraction. Procedure. First step, add 2's complement of subtrahend to minuend. Second step, if carry is present, answer is positive and discard the carry or delete the carry. Then third step, if carry is absent, answer is negative and in its 2's complement form. So, take 2's complement of obtained answer to get final result. Now, we will see an example. Suppose we have 48 minus 27. So, here A, that is minuend, will be 48 and B, subtrahend, will be 27. So, first we will convert given decimal number into binary. So, for 48 we will get 110000. Similarly, for B, that is 27 decimal, we will get binary value as 011011. Now, according to the procedure, we have to find 2's complement of subtrahend, that is B, which is 27 in our example. So, B, here we have 011011. So, first we will find 1's complement of B, which we denote by B dash. So, we will get 100100. Then we find B dash, that is b double dash by adding 1 to b dash. So here b dash, which is our 2's complement of given number, we will get 1 0 1 0 0 1. So this will be our 2's complement for given subtrahend. Now we have to add this 2's complement, that is b double dash, to a. So we will get here we will get 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Now we can see that there is a carry present over here. So we have to discard this carry or delete the carry and obtain answer is our final result. If we convert this into decimal number, we will get 21. So final result for our subtraction will be 0 1 0 1 0 1, which is nothing but 21. Now we will see one more example. Suppose we are given that 27 minus 48. So here a will be our minuend, which is 27 now, and b is subtrahend, which is 48. Now we will find binary value for a, that is 27. We have 0 1 1 0 1 1. Similarly for b we will have 48, which will be 1 1 0 0 0 0. Now in this case we have to find b dash, that is 1's complement of 48. We will get 0 0 1 1 1 1, and by adding 1 to this b dash we will get b double dash, that is 2's complement of 48. So here we will get 0 1 0 1 0 1, and here we will get 0 1. Now we have to add a, that is 0 1 1 0 1 1 with b dash, sorry b double dash. So 0 1 0 0 0 0. So after adding these two binary numbers, we will get 1 1 0 1 0 1, as there will be carry. So here we see that there is no carry present over here. So the obtained answer is negative, and in its 2's complement form. So we have to find 2's complement of this result. So answer dash, we will find 1's complement first, 0 1 0 1 0 0, and after adding 1 we will get 2's complement 1 0 1 0 1 0. So if we convert this into decimal, we will get 21. So final answer will be 0 1 0 1 0 1 for our given subtraction. We denote it by minus sign over here, which is nothing but minus 21. Thank you.